Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP, USD, British Pound, US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart of GBP USD, and USD was trading in a range for quite some time, and finally we saw GBP USD out of the range yesterday. There was heavy selling, and as discussed, we got a selling opportunity below the support. Okay, and we also made good profit as well. After making a low of 1.2607, GBP USD tried to recover, and right now we can see that GBP USD looks like a sideways. Okay, so let's look at the trading opportunities. But before we jump to GBP USD, let's talk about DXY US dollar index. So DXY is also struggling around the previous high here, as a result of which we can see green candles on GBP USD and Euro USD right now. DXY, if it really wants to continue the upside, it will have to cross the previous high here, and precisely it will have to cross 103.30, because if it crosses this level here, then have immediate resistance from the 200 moving average. So it will have to cross this particular portion of the market, then only the road will be clear for DXY. Overall, the DXY was in downtrend, but yes, when the news came out that there will be 2 interest rate hikes, we saw good upside on DXY. So if it really wants to continue the uptrend, then it will have to cross this level here. Until and unless DXY crosses 103.30, it will be just a sideways or choppy market for us. So 103.30 is a critical level for DXY. And today we have some news coming up during the US session. As I always say, be careful with your US dollar positions. If you're a new trader, a beginner, if you do not have much capital right now, try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news, because the stop losses may not work right after the news because of extreme volatility. Do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always as a trader. So now let's talk about GBP USD. So GBP USD, okay, in this present condition of the market, I think it's better to take a sell position. Okay, sell position if market tries to go up, or in simple words, sell on rise is the best trading strategy according to me, because of this ongoing selling pressure. Okay, you can see that more or less sellers are dominating this present market right now. So as a result of which, it is safer to look for a sell at resistance. So let's look at these levels then. So first of all, let's look at the level of 1.2663. 1.2663. This is the first level where we can expect some selling pressure to be present on the market. Okay, not very strong one, but yes, there will be some sort of selling pressure around this area. Why? Because if you look at the chart, then you will not see anything. But if we consider Fibonacci from this particular portion here, then you can see that more or less in respect to last time and this time also, we have some resistance around 1.2663 or 1.2670. Around this level you can expect some sort of selling pressure, but as I said, this is not a very strong level. So as a result, you need to observe the volatility of the market. Volatility of the market always play a very big role. If the volatility of the market is low, if you see the market is struggling around this area, market is showing price rejection from above, then only go for a sell position. But especially during the European session, if you see a big green candle, then obviously market is bullish, and in that case market will not be reversing from this level, because not all the levels have the equal strength. On the other hand, because of good volatility, good bullishness in the market, if market breaks this level here, don't be disheartened. The next level to take a sell position will be around 1.2680 to 1.2700. This is the second level where we can look for sellers. Okay, we have good sellers present around this area. Why? Because the level has been working as a support for quite some time. So the previous support will be working as resistance here. In addition to that, we also have 50 moving average around this area. So 50 moving average, previous support will be acting as resistance. And if we consider Fibonacci here, then you can see that more or less we also have the additional confirmation from the Fibonacci as well. So if we combine all the factors, then 1.2680 to 1.2700 seems to be a legit resistance where we can expect the market to struggle. If market reverses according to expectation, we can definitely look for a sell position around this area as well. If you really like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. Yes, the Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after the 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program, and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things. So on the chart of GBPUSD, we have got two selling opportunities. First of all, 1.266270, which is a weak level. Cannot be trusted, but still, if the volatility is low, we can look for a sell. But on the other hand, if market move up and if we see market struggling, reversing from 1.268090 level, there also we can look for a sell as well. So these are the two trading opportunities on the chart of GBPUSD where we can look for a sell if market should sell. And considering the yesterday's selling pressure, taking a sell position is always a safer thing to do right now. And on the other hand, if the selling continues, if the selling continues, you can also look for a sell below 1.2600 as well. Means when market will break the yesterday's low, we can also look for a sell. But in this type of market structure, taking a sell on rise is the best thing you can do. Okay, because whenever you are taking a sell position at breakdown, okay, it is a little bit riskier. So if you really want to avoid the risk, if you're in a very tight spot right now, then obviously taking a sell at resistance is the safe thing you can do right now. Okay, but sometimes we don't get the opportunity to take a sell at resistance because sometimes market do not go up, they starts falling. Right now it doesn't look like that way, but sometimes, okay, so in that case you can obviously, you'll have to consider taking a sell at breakdown only. So you can take a sell below this level with proper risk management, strict risk management, and you can take a sell here and here. These are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBPUSD right now. If you think that I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And follow proper risk management. Do not chase the market, let the price come to you. And as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, bye bye, take care.